Everyone and anyone that's spending advertising dollars on Amazon for their product will benefit from this. I have some really exciting news to share today, and that's we just closed the acquisition of Downstream. It's something everyone here at Jungle Scout is really excited about, and Downstream is really going to help us better serve large brands and agencies, as well as provide a tremendous advertising solution for all of our current and future customers. I started Jungle Scout 6 years ago to help other entrepreneurs like myself better sell on Amazon. Since then, the company has transformed a lot. We've helped over 500,000 third-party sellers, and then more recently, within the past year or so, we've started to help some of the world's largest brands and agencies on Amazon. A missing piece of this puzzle, what we haven't been able to offer them, is something to help them manage and optimize their advertising spend on Amazon. When we decided we want to get into the Amazon advertising optimization space, what we realized was it was going to take us too long to build the best solution on the market. And that's when our eyes turned to an acquisition. After digging in and testing over 50 different tools out there, we made a short list, and this short list we really dug deep into. And I remember as soon as we got into Downstream and really started digging deep into it and working with their customer success team and meeting the founders, what we realized is they had something that was truly special. The product was very robust. It had definitely been built to be able to handle even the largest brands in the entire world. The team was incredible. They have a tremendous amount of experience working with brands and agencies and sellers on Amazon. And I could tell that they truly cared about the customer and did everything that they could to really make the best tool possible for their customer.
Hi, I'm Connor Foley, CEO and co-founder of Downstream. While working together at Amazon, my co-founder and I saw the explosive growth of Amazon's advertising platform. So we co-founded Downstream to create the first e-commerce native solution for sellers, brands, and the agencies that serve them to better measure, manage, and optimize their advertising on Amazon. I am particularly excited about the value that this merger unlocks for our large brand and agency customers. Pairing Downstream with the robust analytics and insights of Cobalt and the powerful seller capabilities of Jungle Scout's all-in-one seller platform creates the most comprehensive and powerful e-commerce solution for sellers, vendors, and agencies, and is a huge win for all of our customers.
As advertising on Amazon becomes more and more important, it's very clear that the platform that Amazon provides is not enough if you really want to win. We've shown through a very robust investigation due diligence that customers using this advertising optimization solution can have significantly better ACOSs or return on ad spend than what they can by trying to do it manually. The acquisition of Downstream benefits all of the Jungle Scout customers. You can expect to see a lot of product innovation, fast releases, better client success and support, better education. 2021 is going to be an extremely exciting time for all of Jungle Scout's customers. Jungle Scout's going to be your one-stop shop for winning on Amazon.